you don't have to deal with any tape or wires.
And it's pretty tight because like it literally holds it up, but pretty sturdy.
Not embarrassing, I knew it was gonna happen. I was waiting for you to shake it. I knew you were gonna shake it. I don't know why I did it. Just kidding, guys, you might need wire. Yo, that's funny as heck. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with my friend Janessa, and today we're going to show you guys how to make a DIY Christmas wreath. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so I will be using this floral hoop and Janessa will be using a floral foam hoop.
Yes, we're going to cover this one completely, and then we're going to show you a second design where we cover this one only partially so that you can see the different things that you can do with the wreaths. We also brought in a third option, which is one that is already pre-made. You can find this at any craft store, and if maybe you feel like you're not that crafty or you just want to do something simple and easy, you can buy one like this, and then you can just add a few things to it and you'll be done literally in minutes.
Do you want to tell us what flowers and stuff we have here, because I have no clue?
Yes. So the first thing that you need to get is some greenery. So I brought in some greenery here. A few different types is good, so you can have different textures when you're designing. It's good to, you know, have things that look different so that you can like give it a more interesting look. Because look, this doesn't look the same as, you know, how this looks. Then we have some roses, red roses, since it's Christmassy. We have some baby's breath that we painted in gold and some in red. Some mini carnations, some mums, mini ones too, and that's pretty much it.
Alright guys, so we're gonna get into it.
Some of the flower tools that we will be using today are scissors, floral tape, and wire. So this is pretty much all we'll be using to do this wreath. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to take your greenery. The way that we're going to do this is we're going to just bunch up a few things together and then just use the tape to wrap it, and then basically just put it on top of each other and then do it again until we have the whole thing kind of looking how you want. So let's start with greenery. Alright, so this is what we have so far. You'll see that some of the leaves kind of look like since it's like a small little wreath, they're kind of like two in the middle and stuff. So what you can do is you could just, the ones that you're not really feeling them, you just cut them off because they're messing up the bag. Messing up the bag. Like that.
Alright guys, so the next step is adding whatever flower that you would like to add. So yeah. I love it. I like yours a lot.
Yeah.
Yours is probably more Christmassy than mine. So what is your favorite flower?
My favorite flower is spray roses, which I couldn't find any, so I was kind of sad.
Those are like mini roses.
Yeah, they're like mini roses. I like really cute like little things. So even like these like mini carnations, they're not like the size of the real ones, of the bigger regular ones, but they're just so cute. Yeah.
Alright guys, these are the final products. They look really, really cute and I can't wait to put mine up. This is just an alternative, which is actually pretty cute, but I don't know. I'm kind of iffy about it.
Why? This is my favorite, I think.
You think so? I really like how this came. I really do.
Yeah, that one's cute.
Oh, yes. Janessa knows
This is like a modern one.
Alright. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All of Janessa's information will be in the description box below, and also a list of the supplies that we used today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Bye.
For yourself, a merry little Christmas.